after church, and I am putting in some laundry. I'm making a mess. I need to clean that up. Things just have been busy, so I am putting my son's laundry in right now, and then we're gonna go pick up some groceries. So I'm here at Costco picking up my groceries and looking at some other stuff as well. Alright guys, so I'm back from Costco and I picked up a few things that I was running low on and just some things that were good deals or whatever. So the first thing I'm going to start with is this eggnog. It is Producers All Natural. I've never had it, but it was $3.99 and I do like eggnog, so I figured I'd go ahead and give that a go. I picked up some frozen vegetable stir fry, which I picked this up on a regular basis. It's easy for stir fries. The organic baby carrots, I picked these up. These go on my son's lunch. I picked up the Galvani string cheese. This also goes in my son's lunch. Usually I pick up the Frigo, but we got Galvani today. I picked up some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I'm gonna make some butter chicken zucchini. I picked up some shrimp. They are the 21 to 25 per pound count. I picked up some Honey Nut Cheerios, my favorite cereal by far. Picked up some popcorn. Never had this one, but we're gonna give it a go. I'm not a popcorn fan. My son is a popcorn fan, but if I put the ranch shaker on it, then I'll eat it. I picked up these chicken egg rolls. They were on sale for, I believe, $5.99. Picked up some Go-Gurts. The mix pack was on sale. I picked up the 5-pound bag of Cuties. My son takes those for lunch, and I also like to take them for snacks. I picked up the organic mango nectar for some smoothies. I picked up some Kinder's organic teriyaki marinade and sauce. I'm going to make a stir fry with shrimp and the vegetables and this sauce and throw it over some rice for a meal. I picked up the baked scalloped potatoes. They are going off of sale, so I wanted to grab one of these because they're super good. I picked up the organic Bertolli olive oil, basil, and garlic pasta sauce to make some spaghetti. I picked up goldfish packs for my son's lunch. And then the last thing I think that I picked up was a case of water, which I didn't put on this counter because there was no room. All right, guys, so I am going to let you get some cleaning motivation without hearing my voice, because as you can see, it's super raspy. And I will pop back in at the end to give you some more updates.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. As always, I will be back tomorrow for another day of Vlogmas, and I'll be doing another room or another type of holiday video. So I'll see you tomorrow.